you how to create an vacating intimations for the guest, for the existing guest of your PG. Now a guest can also raise the vacating intimations from their own login. Now before creating an intimations, let's go through the intimation settings. Now in the current application, if a guest raise vacate intimations, then that bed can be booked in advance. If you do not want to book a bed in advance, in that case you keep the status as inactive. Otherwise you keep it as active, so that you will be able to book a bed which the occupant has raised and vacate intimations. Also we do have an approval preferences, like approvals for the intimations. So whenever an intimation is created, updated, cancelled, or deleted, you will receive a request for approval in Approvals tab. Now, this has to be created by either your employee or your guests. If you create an intimation, there won't be any approval for that. So, if you do want to approve or reject this type of a request, then you have to enable or disable these features. So now let's create and vacate intimations. For creating and vacate intimations, earlier you had to go to the intimations, but now you can see that there is no create options here. So in order to do that, you have to go to the bookings option or the guest option. Now from the guest also you can go to the booking. So in order to do that, let's go to this option and then select bookings. Now in the bookings, again you will find this action tab. Here you can find the create intimation option. Click on it and then set the date for which a guest is going to get vacated, and then enter an appropriate reason. Okay, once the comments are entered, create an intimation. Now the intimation has been created. Now you can see these intimations in the intimations screen. Now as you can see that you can see the list of the guest who has raised the intimations. You can also see the status of the guest. Now you can also filter based on the guest name, and you can also filter the list depending upon the checkout date, so that you'll get to know like how many people are going to get vacated on the specific date. Also, if you want to filter this by the status of the intimation, then that is also can be done. I hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you.